Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. So today's video is going to have private files on your Mac that you don't want anyone else to access. Whether it's personal documents, client files, passwords, or photos, macOS already includes a free built-in feature that lets you encrypt and password protect folders without installing any third-party apps. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to lock a folder on any modern version of macOS. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Disk Utility. Click the Spotlight search. Type Disk Utility. Open the application. Narration. Disk Utility is a built-in macOS application that's mainly used for managing storage devices, but it also allows you to create encrypted disk images, which are perfect for securely locking folders. Step 2. Create a new disk image. From the top menu, click File, New Image, Image from Folder. Select the folder you want to protect. Step 3. Enable encryption. A new window appears. Now configure these settings. Encryption. Choose AES 256 encryption, recommended for maximum security. You can also choose AES 128 if you want slightly faster. Performance. Step 4. Create a strong password. Enter your password. Verify the password. Optional. Uncheck Remember Password in My Keychain if you want maximum security. Click Choose. Step 5. Save the encrypted folder. Choose where you want to save the encrypted image. For image format, choose Read/Write. This allows you to add, edit, or remove files later. Click Save. Wait for macOS to create the encrypted image. Depending on the folder size, this may take a few seconds or several minutes. Step 6. Access your locked folder. Double-click the newly created .dmg file. Enter your password. Click OK. The encrypted drive now appears in Finder. Open it like a normal folder. Add or remove files as needed. Step 7. Lock it again. When you're finished, right-click the mounted drive. Choose Eject. Now nobody can open the encrypted folder without entering the correct password. Optional. Delete the original folder. Important. After confirming that your encrypted folder works correctly, you can delete the original unencrypted folder if you no longer need it. Don't forget to empty the trash if you want those files removed from your Mac. Tips for better security. Here are a few quick tips. Use a long, unique password. Don't save the password in Keychain if other people use your Mac. Keep a backup of the encrypted DMG, store sensitive files only inside the encrypted image. And that's it! You've successfully created a password-protected, encrypted folder using only the tools built into macOS. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac tips, Windows tutorials, data recovery guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.